Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. We have one puzzle left, and this will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, with 4 stars. And this will be number 2975. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, or could be an easy one. I think it's a hard one. So let's begin. And the first question to you, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Yes. Then the following question, can we see here the dual boxes? Any dual boxes here? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes. No. Do we have here triple boxes? No. I see here a quadra box. And the quadra box in an L shape, remember that this box in an L shape, this box is always a 5. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. With 4 boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some figures, construction structures. For example, the L shape upside down. Here we have the L shape. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is always the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box is always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And in that case, it's a 1. Okay. More L shapes? No. T shapes. Or T figure. Here we have a T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Yeah, so this box, same number as that box. Okay. More T shapes, T figures, no. Then the following shape, this kind of shape. Or this kind of shape. Yeah. Let me do this. Alright. Remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Here, another same figure, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes. No. Then the following shape, this shape. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, so this box is the same number as that box. Alright, more of this kind of shape here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Okay, more of this kind of shapes. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the... Oh, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Then one shape left. This shape you need to also recognize. the Z construction or Z shape or figure, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Wow, it's all connected. He also connected with that box. This is connected, this is connected. Yeah, this is connected, this is connected, this is connected. All right. So now all the figures, those are the 5 figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more of those kind of shapes, but here in this puzzle, 5 of them that you need to recognize. So the following stage or strategy is to let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this quadra box, so 1 box left in this L shape for the number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this shape or area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 4 and 5, correction. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means I have a double 3 here. This box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This cannot be a 3, so 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. Alright. 3, 5, and the 4 are missing. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Alright, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W shape area. Yes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 4. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. And now 1, 5. Let me think. 1, 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, but also it's connected with that box, and it cannot be a 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 it cannot be. So it must be the 5, because one digit left. Yeah, should be the 5. All right, it's connected with that box. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. Well, we have another 1 there, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 1, 3. Well, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, so it's the 2 or the 5. 2 and a 5, it's connected with that box, but we have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2. So the only digit left should be the 5. It's connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box are connected, those 3 boxes, so this should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. The 1, the 4. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Cannot be a 2 or a 4. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, or 8, 3. We have a double 2 here, double 3 there, and we have a 5 there. So one digit left should be a 4. All right. Then. Well, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright. Almost finished. 60 minutes already passed. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here in this L shape. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Alright, great puzzle. Is this 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So, well, let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Yes, it's a 2 stars, Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel, playlists for the Tectonic puzzles, playlist for the binary puzzles, playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. And I have also a playlist for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplets, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet you tomorrow on Sunday for the other 3 puzzles. See you then. Bye bye for now.